welcome on the Taylor Show. Today we are doing this chalk thing. Well, my brother's going to be helping. See? Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
So, what color do you want?
This blue one.
Okay, you want blue? He wants blue. I want blue as well.
I want pink.
Oh, you want pink?
Yeah.
He sure knows his colors. Okay. We painted this. We did a tree yesterday, so I was hoping to look at the rest that failed done. So, oh man. I have to look on this at the camera. Oh, I wish you guys were with us. You guys. Oh.
Tulio.
Is that a little bug? I don't know if you see it, but it's a pretty cool bug. I was stuck on the side. What? No, you don't. Those are for candles.
I want this one.
He used lots of candles he likes. My mom likes candles a lot. So she...
Hey, I want this one. Hey, I want this one.
You better put that back. Okay, you guys, wait a second. Let me take this back to my mom. Sit here, Tristan. Do you want to hold the camera?
Yeah.
Don't hang up.
Don't hit.
Okay, he's pretty.
Let me hold it.
Okay, he's pretty silly. I thought you were staring at the ground, I think. He didn't. I was like, no, don't hang up. So, let's look at that blue. That pretty shade of blue. I'm sorry if I can do a blue. I just want your revenge. Just kidding. That's up to the comments. Up to the commenters that comment. And I'm not doing anything but choking this up. Check out Cookies Soul's videos and just reminding. I'm riding crazy now. If you see how much chalk I got on there. Sorry if you guys can't see because the camera's all over way. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. So if you guys are hoping for me to open up season 1 stuff, yes, I will. Today, later today. At night. Maybe after this video, we'll do what we've been waiting for. After this video, I'm going to upload it in a little bit. So, bye. We might have to do a part 2. So, bye, you guys.